huk sunqulla sumaqta chaninchanayakuspa rimanayakuspa puririnaykupaq. Entonces nuqaykutaqmi kallaykutaq allin chaninchasqa sumaqta kay llaqtayku ñawpaqman puririnanpaq.
In the heart of the Peruvian Andes, at an altitude of between 2,500 and 4,000 meters above sea level, 1,400 peasant families face the challenge of leading the development of their communities on a daily basis. It is a development with 4 key agents: the local government, the peasant authorities, the men and women of the communities, and their productive and social organizations. Due to the lack of opportunities to improve and coordinate, they share a common problem. They don't know how to efficiently manage their resources and opportunities to make improvements that meet the needs of their communities. Attending to this situation, the Basque NGO Zabalqueta and its local partner Caritas Red Sur, with the support of the Basque Agency for Cooperation, have developed a program to strengthen 8 communities that belong to the districts of Acopia and Cachora.
Para el programa, es fundamental que los actores del territorio, con el liderazgo clave de los gobiernos locales, gestionen de manera eficiente y concertada los procesos de desarrollo local desde un enfoque integral, equitativo y sostenible.
The first step has focused on strengthening the local governments through the training program in public management. This program qualifies authorities and public workers with the abilities and knowledge needed for their work.
Nosotros tenemos que buscar la calidad, nivel de vida de lo que tenemos.
Furthermore, through the program, they have heard testimonies of other examples of successful public management in the region. The program has also helped them with the elaboration of their district development plans.
Ki plan desarrollo comunal noqaykupaq llaqtapaq importante porque noqayku huñunarikuyku institucionkunawan huñunarikuyku chinataqmi identificasqa kashan desarrollo social nisqa chaymanta kashallantaq desarrollo económico nisqa chaymanta kashallantaq desarrollo institucional, lo que es medio ambiente, lo que es en educación, lo que es salud. Siempre hapenasqa lo que es plan de desarrollo distrital.
These work strategies have made it possible for the local government to lead plans for the district development that meet the main needs of the population. Plans in which the local productive and social organizations, along with the men and women of the communities, have taken part of. The second step has focused on training people who were already natural leaders in their communities.
Venimos organizándonos y siempre estamos en la coordinación con los señores autoridades, así como el alcalde, presidente, con el gobernador, con el comisario, con la posta de salud, con todas las presidentas de cada base, así como de organizaciones de mujeres, de diferentes productores. Vamos trabajando unidos en nuestro futuro de nuestra comunidad de Acopia.
In the classrooms, they are helped with the upgrade of their internal rules based on equity, participation, and compromise. And, at the same time, they receive training and support in the creation of plans for the development of the community.
Fui secretaria de la comunidad, no podía hablar, tenía miedo de hablar así en las asambleas comunales. He decidido asistir a cursos de capacitación para perder ese miedo.
Al inicio se percibía una actitud de timidez, una actitud de inseguridad, pero a medida que se va desarrollándose las clases de aprendizaje, ellos mismos proponían propuestas para poder generar los trabajos en equipo, esto con la finalidad de poder seguir contribuyendo al desarrollo comunal.
The third issue has been the active participation of men and women in community assemblies and in budget planning. To address this issue, they have started human rights awareness and diffusion campaigns. Through the leadership schools, they have been exposed to successful leadership stories, improved their self-esteem, and made different proposals to solve the problems their communities face.
Me eligieron como secretaria de actas distrital, ¿no? Y tenía vergüenza de hablar en una organización ante el público. Cuando fuimos de pasantía a Puno, a Cusco, ahí vi que otras hermanas hablaban en las reuniones. Entonces vi que no era difícil, que yo también podía hacer, y ahora podemos participar en las reuniones comunales.
The results have been immediate. The attendance and participation in the community assemblies by both men and women has increased significantly. The decisions that are now made respond to the priorities of the population. All of these improvements have translated into some very encouraging numbers. 40% of men and 30% of women who were trained in the leadership schools now hold positions of responsibility in their communities, districts, and organizations. And finally, the last step was to strengthen the existing local organizations, such as productive and women's organizations, and support the formation of new organizations.
Tenemos mercado, tenemos Abancay, tenemos Curahuasi, tenemos Chojiquirao, que es el centro arqueológico, entonces yo creo que vamos a tener resultados.
Thanks to these efforts, these institutions have learned to manage a sustainable economic development in coordination with other agents in the region.
Noqayku ewasaqku quwita, pastutan wiñachisaqku, wawaykuta mejorta alimentasaqku. Puchunwantaq noqayku ganakusaqku qolqeta, y chay qolqetataq invertisaqku noqayku allin kawsanaykupaq. Noqayku cada vez más aswan natural, ecológica nisqata, ñawpaq inkakunaq ruwasqanta, qasqanta mantinishayku.
The process of achieving fair and sustainable development on a local and human level continues. Despite inevitable obstacles, positive results are beginning to show.
Empezamos a mejorar, a hacer los tarrajeos, arreglar la casa, ¿no?
Hacían instalar agua, después luz.
Riego tecnificado, lo que es riego por aspersión.
Hemos sembrado diferentes pastos con el motivo de criar a nuestros animales.
Con lo que tenemos en casa, de repente llevamos al mercado más que nada los biohuertos. Con ese ingreso lo estamos educando a nuestros hijos en la universidad.
Sí.
Today, farming families are more aware, better organized, and qualified than ever before. At the foot of the Andes, new generations are hopeful as they face a future loaded with opportunities.